Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add game to cart on Steam. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Are you new to Steam and wondering how to add a game to your shopping cart? Or maybe you're planning to buy multiple games at once but aren't sure how the cart feature works? If so, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add a game to your cart on Steam step by step. So, first of course, we have to open our Steam. And from here, you can choose on the game that you want to add to your cart. Maybe for the example, you want to add this game. You can select on the game. You can just scroll down until you find there's an option buy Assetto Corsa Evo. If you want to add this game to your cart before you buy it, you can add to cart like this. And now you have added that game to your cart. If you want to continue shopping, select on continue shopping and add another game to your cart. Maybe like want to add this game to my cart. Also, add to cart, continue shopping. And then if you want to check all the game that you add to your cart, you can select on cart in here. So here's all the game that you just added to your cart. It's very simple, right? So that is how to add game to your cart on Steam. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.